What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in a cemetery and I've got an awesome product review for you guys, so I hope you're ready because this is going to be something that's really going to kickstart Halloween for 2021, and it's right here, the Evil Soul Studios full-size coffin. Let's check it out. So as you guys can see, we did nothing but the best. We brought it in the hearse to the cemetery. So this is a all foam coffin. If you guys are curious how to assemble this, just watch my prior video, which I will have down in the description, which was the little Annie Bates headstone and above ground crypt. The assembly process is the same, except this one has Velcro that you can actually put in, so that way if you want to open the doors or be able to actually disassemble it, you can. But this comes with the Loctite and everything that you need to basically affix everything together. So again, if you guys want to see an assembly, just check that video, and that will be the same process for this one. But honestly, guys, what better way to reveal a new product by Evil Soul Studios, again, than actually delivering this coffin to what should be its final resting place with a hearse. So we've done this coffin here justice. We've done everything we can to possibly make this thing spooky. We've literally brought it to a cemetery here. So you guys will see this has actual handles on it, but those are just for looks. You should not pick this up by those. Up here on the top half, you can see this does split in half, so that way you can have an open section and a closed section if that's how you choose to do it. You can do any combination that you want to do with this prop. But up top we have the cross, and then down here we have, "He will wipe away every tear from their eyes, and death shall be no more. Neither shall there be mourning, nor crying, nor pain anymore, for the former things have passed away." So if you guys want to get one of these for your hearse, or even just to have it for Halloween of 2021, check out evilsoulstudios.com. They've got the coolest stuff that you can possibly find. This coffin right here retails for about $350. It is foam, but it is high quality, and it looks amazing, and honestly, it looks great with a hearse. Some people out there that do have hearses don't really feel comfortable having a legit coffin inside, plus they're about $1,000 to $3,000, where this is $350, and it's a legit prop. So ultimately, if anybody is uncomfortable with having an authentic coffin inside of their hearse, this is a good way to go. Or if you don't have a hearse, which a lot of people don't, and you just need something as a Halloween prop, this is a great alternative to be able to do that. Spirit Halloween, Walmart, and things like that, they have those little pop-up foldable wire inside of the fabric things, which are crap. This is a high quality, actually looks good, actually looks legit coffin, so I highly recommend this company. Again, if you guys want to get one of these for yourselves, head over to evilsoulstudios.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this. Definitely can't wait for Halloween this year. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you guys next time.
The apocalypse.